Today I'm going to be building a bridge, and we're going to be making it out of whatever we can find in the forest. This might get crazy, so let's get into it.
Let's do that.
Oh, you're touching poo water.
Oh, it's not poo. It's just mosquito larvae.
Oh yeah, that sounds even better.
The eggs from the mosquitoes.
Nice protein.
It's, yeah, actually it is high in protein.
Guys, today I'm going to talk about something very serious. I'm not a big fan of deforestation. We've used all this wood before in previous videos. We just keep going back to the sites that we've done previous creations in, like building huts, raised shelters. So I'm just emphasizing now, everything we're using today is absolutely 100% recycled wood from the native Manuka forests of New Zealand.
Just discovered a tree that's fallen over. Now remember, we can't cut trees down, push it over in a different direction to prove that it's dead. I thought you were throwing that. Deforestation, it happens all over the world. 4% of the Amazon is cut down every year. We use a lot of wood in these videos. For instance, we've come to this forest many times to create things like huts and shelters. I'm just telling you today that all that stuff we have used has either been dead trees or it's been stuff we foraged off the ground. I'm just here to tell you today that everything we have used is 100% recycled New Zealand Manuka wood. Thank you for watching.
Now guys, today I'm going to talk about something very serious that's happening all over the world. I'm not a big fan of deforestation.
Manuka forests of New Zealand. Thank you for watching. I'm going to stand at the other camera now.